I long told you, South Africa, that we are captured by Ruperts, that our country is run by Ruperts. How can the Minister of International Relations sit in a meeting? Oh, Mara no is a good boy. Is a what is your problem? The whole Minister of International Relations goes and sits in a meeting that deals with international issues outside the country and never uttered a word. But businessmen, the golf players are speaking, but you, the politician, who's supposed to speak on those matters, you are quiet. Why do you still want to earn a salary after being quiet? Why can't we give this salary to those white people? Because they are the